Hello YouTube! I have another great review coming for you for Good Life Organic. Bow, bow, bow! With a good product, a good recipe, and a good video. Let's get to it. Good Life Organics coconut milk's here. It's back. They've got beautiful packaging. And I want to tell you why this is the golden goods that you want to use when it comes to coconut milk. And then, of course, because it's fun, we're just going to do a little recipe in this baby kitchen of mine. Now, Good Life Organics coconut milk, which by the way they got a new packaging, it's very pretty, it only has 2 ingredients in. Do you want to guess? Do you want to guess the ingredients? I'll tell you. Coconut kernels and water. Boom! There are no gums, no stabilizers, flavorants, sweeteners, nothing like that, which you would get in most of your coconut milks that you buy in the store. This one is just, like I said, the kernels and the water. And it is sourced from Sri Lanka. What we also like about the packaging is this lovely lid over there. Let's open this baby up and see what she's got. Amazing. Thick kernel cream. Num num num. I already used another jar and made some recipes with it, but this is like kind of dessert. Yummy. Now obviously this is the kernel part, and then at the bottom we have the water, which you need to mix it in. It's almost like coconut butter. Now the thing about this coconut milk, I've tried to Nutri-Bullet it and get the solid part and the watery part to mix. Doesn't quite work that way, but what basically happens is if you heat it up, it melts, and then everything combines, and then it won't be the solid form. Obviously we're in winter now in South Africa, so when it's summer it was probably a different situation. I haven't tried it in summer yet, but because it's cold it's hardening up, so you just have to heat it and then your problem's solved. Now I'm going to show you a really easy Jamie Oliver prawn recipe where we're going to use the Sri Lankan coconut milk. This is what you will need for the super easy recipe. Some spring onion, mushrooms, tomatoes. I've got zoodles, my favorite, fresh thyme, but actually you can just use any herb. I've just decided on some thyme. Got me my prawns. Obviously the organic coconut milk, and Good Life Organic has this lovely product which is tomato granules, which we will just use as decoration. I've got my lemon juice over there. The bonus part of the video. I couldn't end it just with the coconut milk, although it was absolutely incredible. But Good Life Organic has got so many beautiful, conscious, delicious, yummy, wonderful, clean, high vibration products that I have to share it with you guys. And I know how much you all love living like a high vibe life, and this is a brand that supports it, and they're always innovating and bringing new products, and it's amazing. So I want to share that with you. I am super excited about their Dijon mustard. I am a mustard girl, and especially a mustard salad dressing girl, which they have the white balsamic vinegar. Hard to come by, and I have been looking for this for the longest time, and they have it. So I'll be making a salad dressing with the Dijon mustard, the white balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, and maybe a bit of lemon. That is like mwah. Good Life Organic is well known for their spices, and I'm trying out the brie rub that you can get there, and then the chicken rub. Now, why I was interested in the both of these is I love their sweet paprika. The sweet paprika I put in almost everything. It's got so much flavor, and you cannot get any other sweet paprika like this at a Woolies or anywhere. The sweet paprika is But now the organic brie rub is with the sweet paprika, and then it also has cumin, mustard seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, nutmeg, and bay leaf. And then the chicken brie rub, the base, is a smoked paprika, which is also delicious, but it's got a smoky, oaky, like a more like gravitas to it type of flavor. So I want to compare these two, but they both smell sensational. Then Good Life Organic moves on to the seeds. They've got the organic chia seeds and the pumpkin seeds, as mentioned before, but I really think these tomato granules are something quite exquisite, and they even have the red pepper. I don't have that here now. So the tomato granules are so beautiful, and you can just sprinkle them. There we go. You can sprinkle them onto anything, and it tastes so good. No, you can sprinkle them onto your toasties, a little bit on your avo, but on a salad, and it just takes it to the next level. You can obviously do this to impress your guests, but I just do it to impress myself, because each time I use it, I'm like, that's great. Then I've got some of the organic brown lentils. See, now we're going to the legumes. Organic brown lentils, I just sprout them because that's when they have the most vibration. So my body likes that. And another sweet paprika because it's still my favorite. And then they even have like baked goods. So you can get your organic arrowroot, which I want to use for my gluten-free baking. That is it. That's Good Life Organic. I really wanted to speak about the coconut milk because it's been a long time coming, and all the products are just so beautiful and kind and good, and the vibration really tastes delicious. So if you want to live in a way that is satisfying for your heart and soul and everything, then support the brands who are heart and soul. Okay guys, it was so nice to do a foodie conscious video with you all again, and in the comments below let me know if you've tried any of these products and which ones are your favorite, or which ones would you like to try. Bye.